Hello, today I'm in Kia Soul. In this video I'll show you how to use voice recognition system. Firstly, press this button and then say a command.
Please say a command.
Enter radio.
Did you say radio?
Yes.
Yes. Please say a command.
Radio FM1.
Radio. Please say a command.
Increase volume.
Sorry, please say a command.
Increase volume.
Did you say AM? Preset 1.
No.
No. Please say a command.
Volume up.
Sorry, please say a command.
Unfortunately, this voice recognition system is not working very good, but you'll be able to find voice commands in the car's manual or on the internet. But basically that's how you use voice recognition system. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe.